course, Scotty. Doing laundry for the first time can be tricky. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's break down the basics of doing laundry here at UCR. First, sort your clothes by color and fabric type. Check labels for washing instructions. Next, add detergent. But don't overdo it! Place your clothes in the machine. Select the appropriate cycle, and you're good to go. No cash, no problem! At UCR, all laundry rooms use the Wash app for a cashless, convenient experience. Here's how to set it up. Download the Wash app, create an account. Use the app to start a machine, check availability, and monitor your active cycles remotely. Be respectful, remove your clothes as soon as your cycle finishes. Keep the room tidy, and never take someone else's belongings or supplies. Now you're ready to tackle laundry like a pro, just like Scotty. Happy washing, Highlanders!